Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a chorus called Wide, Wide as the Ocean. And the words are very short but sweet. It says, wide, wide as the ocean, high as the heavens above, deep, deep as the deepest sea is my Saviour's love. I, though so unworthy, still am a child of His care, for His word teaches me that His love reaches me everywhere. The song is in A, but we are going to use 5 chords: A, D, E, B7th, and F sharp minor. A, we don't play the top string. D, we don't play the top 2. E, we play all the strings. B7th, we don't play the top string. And F sharp minor, we play all the strings. So this is waltz rhythm, which means it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. First I'm going to show you a strum. So you hit the bass string with your index finger and then you just strum 2 times down. Let's try the song with the strum. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wide, wide as the ocean, high as the heavens above, deep, deep as the deepest sea is my Saviour's love. I, though so unworthy, still am a child of His care, for His word teaches me that His love reaches me everywhere. Okay, now we're going to pick the song where you use your thumb for the bass note and 3 other fingers for the bottom 3 strings, like this: A, D, E, B7th, F sharp minor. Okay, we're going to try and pick this song. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wide, wide as the ocean, high as the heavens above, deep, deep as the deepest sea is my Saviour's love. I, though so unworthy, still am a child of His care, for His word teaches me that His love reaches me everywhere. Alright, you can download the lead sheet from the description, get the words and the chords. And if you're using our material, we ask you to please subscribe. That will help us a lot. And we hope you have a happy practicing week and see you next time. Bye.